BrainReader, a small startup company with little human resources and financial resources, but high motivation and high beliefs. To help them reach their goals, this is our strategy. We want to push their product for the general public healthcare system in France. We choose France because this is the country ranked on the first place by the World Health Organization. This is the country in top 10 countries in the world that invest a lot in healthcare system. It's a big healthcare power in Europe because 89% of their citizens are very satisfied by the healthcare system in France. On the other hand, 30% of the people in France are aged 55 and above, which is the age where people get most exposed to the potential of getting an Alzheimer or Parkinson disease, which generally are neurodegenerative diseases. Generally, the western part of Europe is the one most affected by these diseases, and this is why we choose France as the core one where the scale of population ranks very much. We want to push this through public healthcare system because this is when we can assure that everyone gets the chance to experience this software. As you can see here, the ranking of our main stakeholders starts from the Ministry of Healthcare, then goes to the hospitals, doctors themselves, and the end, which is the mass, the patients. We want to go with this long-term strategy because this will help BrainReader to gain more awareness, much more awareness about their product, and that will open a gate to the whole European market. So, following this, we support our strategy by the culture of Frenchmen. They are long-term oriented, and they always are willing to do investments in promoting innovation. And this is why French people can convert very quickly new stuff into their traditions. As well, they have a high power distance, which means that the bus is superior to their subalterns. And this makes the authority of the ministry important in gaining the distribution of our software. This is the long-term strategy that we want to base our idea on. But as an alternative, the company can also address the private clinics, but also in France, and start building profits in short term. However, the main thing is to go big and get competitive advantage over their competitors in the short term and be able to conquer the European market with much confidence.